Whenever you see a green P, it means municipal parking. So on Saturdays for the St. Lawrence Market, you just have to pay for the first 2 hours. It's just $2. That's really good because otherwise parking here, like some places charge like $20. Today on Saturday it's open until 5 p.m. It's really crowded. Enrico's eating cheesecake. Okay. We have a lot of stuff. We're kind of late for the fresh produce section. You can see that a lot of places are kind of sold out or cleaning up or whatever. Because we didn't come early, we came in the afternoon. This is a honey area and I love the smell of these wax candles. I
have to ask you another 2 questions about that.
And these is Enrico, my brother, and Magda. You can smell the freshness here. I don't know what that is, but I need to go there. We've got a fish market, more meat. I think they had fish here and it's all gone. Oysters.
This is one of the most beautiful parts of the country. He doesn't know the better places to go.
There's the TTC.
Yes, there was a place to go.
So these buildings were here for a really long time. Way before I was born. Now we're in Thornhill, Richmond Hill, and that's the Host. They have another one in Yorkville in Toronto, and so this is another location, and it's Enrico's first time eating Indian food, like actual Indian food, not like stuff that I would have or he's tried before. So this is the onion and vegetable pakoda, and this is the haraili or something like that, kebab. And it's quite good. And then we have pina colada drinks, virgin pina colada. It's very good. Very good. Good. So I just want to show the decor here. Tonight, here I am. So I'm not used to eating very spicy food. Enrico can eat spicier food than me. So anyways, the food was spicy. So if you're not used to eating spicy food, you should know that. Anyways. But yeah, but then the pina colada helps. So this is the butter chicken. This is another chicken dish. This is a vegetable dish with a creamy sauce, and this is the paneer tikka. And paneer is like a kind of cheesy, kind of tofu-y kind of thing, and different kinds of rice. And the naan is all there. Okay, we almost finished it all. This butter chicken was the least spicy. Then this. Then that. And then that. So the butter chicken was my favorite.